Inkjet. Minus ink cartridge, printhead, roller, and feeder. While a laser printer is a marvel of physics and optics, an inkjet printer is a masterpiece of fluid dynamics. As a technician, your role in maintaining an inkjet system focuses on the precise movement of liquid ink and the physical handling of paper. The ink cartridge and ink delivery systems. The ink cartridge is the reservoir for the liquid ink. However, not all inkjet systems are built the same way. Integrated cartridges. These combine the ink reservoir and the printhead into a single unit. Every time you replace the cartridge, you are getting a brand new printhead. This is common in budget home printers and makes them very reliable but more expensive to run. Individual tanks. In these systems, the ink tank is just a plastic bucket of ink. The printhead is a permanent or semi-permanent part of the printer. This is much cheaper for high-volume printing, but requires more maintenance to prevent the permanent head from drying out. Ink tanks, CISS. Continuous ink supply systems use large, external tanks and tubes to feed the printhead. These are ideal for the massive amount of printing you might do for school projects or office work, as they significantly lower the cost per page. The printhead, thermal V's piezoelectric. The printhead is the component that actually puts the ink on the page. It contains thousands of microscopic nozzles, each thinner than a human hair. Thermal inkjet bubble jet, common in HP and Canon printers. A tiny heating element creates a steam bubble in the ink chamber. As the bubble expands, it kicks a droplet of ink out of the nozzle. Piezoelectric, used primarily by Epson. Instead of heat, it uses a specialized crystal that changes shape when an electrical charge is applied. This squeezes the ink droplet out. Since it doesn't use heat, it allows for a wider variety of specialized inks. Technician's warning. The most common inkjet failure is a clogged nozzle. This happens when the liquid ink dries up and turns into a solid plug. You can often fix this by running the printer's internal head cleaning cycle, which forces fresh ink through the nozzles to dissolve the blockage. The roller and feed mechanism. Because inkjet printers are often used for diverse media, from standard paper to thick photo paper or even envelopes, the feed mechanism must be highly adaptable. The pickup roller. This is the rubber-coated wheel that grabs the top sheet from the tray. The separation pad. This provides just enough friction to ensure only one sheet is pulled through at a time. If your printer keeps grabbing 5 sheets at once, the separation pad is likely worn out. The grit roller, platen roller. This is the long, textured bar that moves the paper in tiny, precise increments under the printhead. It must be perfectly synchronized with the movement of the printhead carriage. Inkjet maintenance for the technician. Cleaning the nozzles. If you see white lines running horizontally across a photo, it means a nozzle is clogged. Never use a paper towel to wipe a printhead. The fibers will clog it further. Use a specialized lint-free, clean room, wipe, and a tiny amount of distilled water or head cleaning solution. Calibration, alignment. Because the printhead sits on a moving carriage, it can occasionally get bumped out of alignment. You must run the alignment utility, which prints a series of lines. You select the ones that look straightest, and the printer adjusts its timing to compensate. Clearing jams. Unlike laser printers, which use high heat, inkjet jams are usually purely mechanical. Always pull the paper in the direction of the paper path. Pulling it backward can strip the plastic gears in the feed motor, permanently breaking the printer.